Okay, it's getting late. I'll finish this up and that'll be it for me for today. Right, I was down at the driver's license place. Had to renew my driver's license and go through all that messing about. That took, I was there for like 3.5, 4 hours. Okie dokie. Right, get this done and that'll be it. Now, let's see. This also is another really great deep dish bell. I tried to get a shot of the it's a very heavy bell, thick walled. Tried to get a shot of the maker's mark there with the camera, but this camera's just not good. Poor quality. No, this is good quality. This camera's poor quality. And I just couldn't really get a shot of it, but it's a really nice maker's mark right there. And you get this beautiful, just gorgeous cushion and this really cool wooden stand here, and you get this wooden piece to hold the striker. You do get this striker with this one. You get that really cool antique black kimono. I grabbed whichever off the top here and you come up with this dude, so that's great. Yeah, they're just really cool. They're from the National Treasures series, and they're really cool. Okay, so you get this brass candlestick holder, and so pretty much very similar to the setup I just did. This here, real deal candles with the holes in the bottom to slide in there, and a portion, 1/4 portion of this real deal incense. Delightful stuff. And you'll find that at Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines. The real good stuff. Now this here, a beautiful incense bowl, so you could put a bit of sand. They put this sandy kind of stuff in there and then put the incense sticks in there. Still a bit of ash in there. Alright, so you can get that too. That's brass, I would say. Yeah. So that's that. Now let's have a check of this the sound. Now remember, this camera's garbage, so I have to keep the mic at a certain distance or else it'll just go wonky bananas. I could have put it a bit straighter, but it's close enough. I'm tired. I'm going to get a feed very soon. Wow, perfect. Wow, still going. It's just brilliant. It's brilliant. What a fantastic bell. Look at that beast. Beautiful piece. It's certainly worth the money. Hopefully people will fight for this and give me $1 billion or something. I'll go live in the Bahamas. The tiny strike, wasn't it? Oh, it's great. Now, just in case it's not coming out properly with this garbage camera, let me just... I'll put this up here. Give it a fairly decent strike. Never have to strike them that hard. Just like this, really. And I use these, they're a little bit extra cushioning with the these spot thingies. And just near the rim and perfect. Right. Now, what I want to do is sell it on the air. I don't want to send it via sea. Takes too long, too rough. So sell economy air. So it's going to be expensive to send, as eBay takes their 10% of freight monies and all that kind of stuff, and fees and everything that goes with it, so I'm not really getting much out of it. But it's a worthy piece, and this is the type of stuff I really like. So. Wow, just gorgeous. Right, that's it. I'm going home to get a feed. Got a friend coming around to fix some computery thing, and all is good in the world. Stay good.